Hi guys, welcome to a new location. Today we are here in beautiful North Vietnam, where I'm going to explore Sapa and the surrounding area. I'm here at the start point of the first hike I'm doing today. It's a beautiful 13-kilometer walk in the valley, surrounded by the rice fields. Look how beautiful. And I'm going to do this. I will show you how beautiful it is here. Afterwards we are going back to Sapa. It's I think 10 kilometers from here. I stay at the Azure Sapa hotel, really in the middle of Sapa. And yeah, this evening I will show you how Sapa looks like. It's a very cozy town. And tomorrow we are going to do another hike, and we are going to see what else is here to do. But yeah, I will stay here for 4 days in total, but I will show you 2 days that I'm here. Here we have to cross the bridge and go to the left. And check this out, beautiful. We also come across many women who try to sell you some souvenirs, and also a lot of shops with those typical mountain clothing. You see, like this. And here, women like that. Oh no, thank you. No, thank you. You really have a whole street with this? You can see the souvenirs are really colorful and beautiful, but I really don't have any space in my luggage left. And I think the school is out. And here you have the local school. So I think we are now heading out of the village. I also put out some clothes because it's getting warmer and warmer. Check the stunning views here. I said it already to friends of me yesterday. This is my favorite place in Vietnam for sure. It's so beautiful. I like the mountains. So now we are taking a steeper section completely out of the village, and we will come back that way. So it's a nice loop, and yeah, it's between the local villages. It's close to the roads. Hey. Hey. Hello, good friend. Oh, good boy. Big boy. Bye-bye. He's very adventurous. That's high. Cruiser. Very good. And there he goes. When you do a trekking with a big group and a guide, you just don't have those experiences, I guess. And if you see something like that, yeah, the whole group is surrounding it and ruining the moment for you and for the authenticity. So now I have the whole day to go at my own pace and to explore this beautiful surrounding area of Sapa. And now we are going off the beaten path. Ooh, already gets very slippery. Here we need to go over the first fence. The weather is perfect. The weather is really good. 23 degrees, sun, and scheiße. Oh, there you go. Already made the slipper. Wasn't paying attention for 1 second. Okay, I'm going to try to do it a little bit different. Going to attach my camera to my chest because I need to hold my phone for getting the right directions. So, but with the phone and the camera in the hand, it's too complicated to get a grip here. Check how high, how beautiful. Oh my god, it's so slippery. Okay, I'm gonna risk it for the biscuit. Whoosh. You really have nothing to hold on to. Damn it. Here, this one I needed. If this is going to be like 13 kilometers, I think I have a problem. Whoosh. Okay. Yeah, this is definitely a better path. Wow. Oh. Look at the ducks enjoying the scenic view of the valley here in Sapa. So here you have the perfect view of the Muang Ho Valley, or Mang Ha. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I can say it's amazing. We arrived here in the next village, the next hill tribe village. So as you can see, you're not really going deep into nature. You always stay close to the villages and you go from village to village next to the hills. This is like a perfect mountain hut to have a break, but we have to follow this path. It's just 12:30, but if I want to explore Sapa today, I have to be there around 3 p.m. I think that's the perfect time. So I have 2-3 hours to stroll around there. I've been there yesterday, walking around, go to the gym there, and just a cozy village with really beautiful traditional houses and a nice atmosphere. A very steep section here, almost at the highest point of the walking trail. So guys, this is the highest point of the hike today. Now we have to follow this path, and now we have a steep section downhill. But I have to say, except of the part where I fell, all the other parts are like paths like this, so very easy to follow. It's a very easy track, and look how steep it goes down the hill now. Another stunning view of the valley. So behind me you see a beautiful family building their home here on the side of this hill with the view of this beautiful valley. The dogs are playing around, the kids are playing around, the wife is doing the laundry outside, and father is building a roof. No, good boy. Oh. Are you going with me? You can. I will follow you. Yeah. Oh, you better stay home, eh? Yeah. Otherwise I want to take you with me to Belgium. But you don't like the weather there, I think. Eh? You're much more happier here. Bye. Hello. These are the kind of villages that I want to see. I think the local guides don't come here with the large groups, and that's why it's so authentic here. And it's a blast to stroll around here. This is the reason why I fell in love with traveling, guys. I literally have goosebumps because it's so beautiful, and I'm so happy that I did it for myself, these 4 months of traveling through Southeast Asia. If I had listened to the people in Belgium, to friends and family with the best intentions they have, I would now have a full-time job and working to buy a house in Belgium that is so expensive. Instead of that, I just rent a place, a cheap place in Belgium where I'm happy, and I have all the chances and the time, and most of the time also the money to travel the world. And it's the best decision that I made in life, and that's the only positive side of COVID. Because I had time to reflect, I had to say goodbye to my other hobby, cycling, also because of injuries. And the first thing I did in the first lockdown was buy a camera and just play around with it, and I started loving it. And after COVID I started traveling with the camera, and then my YouTube channel was born, and since then it's going so well. I saw so many places already, most of them in Europe, but now also I can say a lot in Asia, and it's definitely not the end. We are going to explore the world together, so I hope you stay with me with that, and help me and watch me see my dreams coming true. If you're already subscribed, or if you are following my content, thank you for that. It really helps me and I appreciate it really hard. Check this out. Wow. Hello. Thank you, thank you. No, it's good, it's fine. Thank you. So now we have to follow this track all the way alongside the hill. That just went well. Hello. And now we are going into the bamboo forest. Okay, this is really slippery. Luckily I can hold myself on the bamboo sticks. And it seems that an avalanche took place here and destroyed much of this bamboo forest. What a view. I'm having a quick water break here. Enjoying the beautiful view. And we have to walk 6 kilometers and then we're at the end. So over halfway now. Check this out. Another huge avalanche. So impressive. Hello. I am definitely not going to try that. That just doesn't look safe. Wow. So here we arrived in the third village of our hike. Hello. So I think we've been through the hardest part of this hike and now we are staying less or more in the bottom of the valley. Hello. Now we actually have a long way next to the road to follow, and in 2 kilometers we go back into the fields and go to the first village we went through today, and with all the shops there, maybe I'm going to buy a shirt there. The sun is really burning now, so time to put on my souvenir from Ninh Binh, Vietnam. The village is called Ta Van. That's the village where we're going. The last part of our hike. The village is on the other side of the river, so we have to cross that bridge, and 2 kilometers to go. And there's someone fishing.
I think it's a guest house.
So now we're back and it's 2:30, so we still have time to explore the village of Sapa. going to take a taxi from here and let me drop off somewhere in the center of Sapa, go to a restaurant, relax for a bit, and then stroll around, because it isn't that big. It's just a village, a mountain village, but so beautiful, so cozy. Lots of beautiful souvenirs. So I bought something, probably won't wear it a lot, but it's a good souvenir, it's nice. And it is handmade by the locals here, so I have to negotiate a little bit. She asked 400 and I was afraid that it was going to be a little high price. So I asked for 200, she went down to 300 and I said 250. She said still 300 and I was like, okay, no, thank you very much. And then she said, okay, 250 is good. So guys, we made it. A little bit more than 4 hours was a hike, including all the stops. And we have, I'll tell you like this, we have 12.5 kilometers, 514 meters elevation gain. It was a beautiful hike. I'm now just going to walk up and find a bar for Wi-Fi so I can order a taxi to Sapa, and then you will see me in Sapa, probably in a restaurant already, because I'm hungry and thirsty. So yes, I find a bar. I see a sign with coffee. I will have a drink there. So I ordered a cold chocolate, and look, I have a nice view even. Also a pool downstairs, and now I can relax a bit and order a taxi. So I put some other clothes on, but before we visit the village of Sapa, let's go to the rooftop of my hotel. There you have a good view. Check out this beautiful view. The center of Sapa. Looking over the valley. Sapa is a mountain village that is located in the northern western region of Vietnam, close to the Chinese border, surrounded by mountains of the Dong Linh Son Range, with Phan as the highest peak in the whole of Indochina, which started as a small French hill station, now became a popular tourist destination. You can find a lot of restaurants and hotels here in this village, and a lot of local people depending here on tourism, so it's their way of making a living. That's why Sapa is not so much a village anymore, but I will show you that now. Let's stroll around the village of Sapa. So there's my hotel, the Azure Sapa Hotel. Which is located very close to the center, so it's only a 2-minute walk. Check that impressive building. And there I ate something yesterday. A lot of souvenirs here. This stone church was built by French missionaries in the 19th century. The church is an iconic landmark in the region with its stone facade and Gothic style architecture. Let's have a look. I think it's closed. Yes. And right in front of the stone church you have the central square of Sapa. This is the main place where the locals come together and the kids can play around. And in the back you have the beautiful Sun Plaza Sapa station. But first let's have a look at this little park of Sapa. Look how cozy this mountain village is. With a lot of nice buildings and the fountain. There you have the Sapa Convention Center and a nice roundabout. I still haven't found a good place to eat. I'm just strolling around because otherwise it will be too dark. Now the sun is out, so I can enjoy a little stroll, but I'm getting really hungry now. Let's go to that one. And there, Chinese New Year, the year of the snakes, Sapa. Look how beautiful decorated this hallway is in typical handicrafts of the Sapa hill tribe. Also really authentic houses. It's like a open air museum. This so beautiful. Hello. And this is like a Vietnamese Christmas tree with Santa Claus. I think it's a giant shopping mall, so let's have a look. And there's a Starbucks, so let's have a muffin and a hot chocolate. I ordered an American chocolate chip, which is almost finished, focaccia, and a hot signature chocolate. Look at this. Now guys, let's go back to the hotel. I'm going to rest a bit. I think it's well deserved. I'm really tired now. Tomorrow we will see what we are going to do. I will figure it out this evening and I will see you guys back in the morning. Good morning guys, day 2 here in Sapa, and today I have a plan. We are going to the roof of Indochina, the highest peak. Let's go. So guys, we are going to the top of the Fancy Pan mountain. It's the highest peak of Indochina, and I was thinking of hiking it, but you have to get a guide at the ranger post at the beginning of the hike, and it's $40. So it's quite expensive, and the trail is very well signed, so you actually don't need a guide, but it's obligated. So if you hike all the way up and you paid €40 for a guide and you want to take the cable car back down, you still have to pay the full price for the cable car. If you go up and down, it's almost €30. So it's quite an expensive joke. And the cable car, if you are hiking up and want to go down with the cable car, is the same price as you go up with the cable car, and it's also quite expensive for Vietnamese norms. So I just go with the cable car, go up and down, pay the almost €30 and walk around on the top, because we are going to the highest peak here in Vietnam. And from my hotel to the cable car station is 2.5 kilometers, so I already have the beginning of my hike planned. So I just paid my ticket. It was 800,000 Vietnamese dong. It's around €29 for return ticket. And the last one leaves at the top at 5 p.m. back to here. This is such a touristic spot. And here we are at the cable car station.
Holy shit! Yay! Woo! Oh my god! That's awesome! Oh my god! Well, there's some friends going ahead of us, and he's very scared of heights. Really, they're hiking? Yeah. No, they're scared of heights. Yeah, but hiking in 6 hours.
No,
Yeah,
they're in the cable car in front
They're in
of
the
us.
cable car.
Das sieht echt cool aus.
Very steep.
Yeah, I really like it. And 2 days ago, it was pretty cloudy here, so.
Challenging, man.
We're here at the top of the cable car station, and what a beautiful ride it was. So high here. And now we still have to walk a couple stairs.
Da kannst du ein zweites Ding nehmen.
Enjoy. Bye bye. The summit is on 3,143 meters.
Or weakened health may experience dizziness, lightheadedness, or fall. To ensure a safe and
A
enjoyable
lot of wind. From here you can take a cable train or walk the steps all the way up. I think I will do the second one.
We had fantastic.
And there can you find a statue of a giant Buddha. I really feel a bit slow-headed and dizzy from the height. What a beautiful view already. Really such a great place, and we're now just beneath the Buddha statue. We still have 250 steps to go to reach the summit, and on this side there's a lot of wind. But check the view here. Wow. It's the highest point that I've been in my whole life. The Fansipan mountain. We are so lucky with the weather. For the same amount it was clouded and you couldn't see a thing. Now we have the best view possible. You can literally see the village of Sapa there. Because tomorrow it will be raining here. 2 days ago it was so clouded, and the week before that it was all day raining. So sometimes you need a little bit of luck in life. There you have another statue. Let's check it out before we go to the summit. And the path continues to that pagoda there. The pagoda is closed. Oh, I'm so dizzy. Let's go to the top. Almost at the top. So we made it to the top.
Ah, okay.
Look at the view. So busy here. So we made it to the roof of Indochina, the highest peak of Vietnam. So guys, I think we've seen it here. let's go back to the cable car and go back to the village of Sapa.
Không được quay video.
Here, there are more than 40 species.
So guys, we are back in Sapa after we experienced the roof of Indochina. Very nice, beautiful views, definitely worth it. And yeah, now I'm going back to the hotel, and I guess that's it for my video here in Sapa. It was a wonderful stay, my favorite destination in Vietnam for sure. And yeah, I hope you liked it as well. The hike of yesterday was so beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Location. Also, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and a reaction in the comment section down below. And I hope to see you again in another location. Ciao.
If you send me the location, then I'll be right there.